The resurrection and the life. The story of Jesus didn't end at the tomb. On Friday, it looked like it was hopeless. The stone was rolled shut. The disciples were hiding in fear. But Sunday was coming. The resurrection of Jesus is the pivotal point of human history. When the women arrived at the tomb, the angel said, "He is not here. He is risen." Because he rose, death is not the end. Because he rose, your mistake doesn't have to have the final say. Because he rose, there is a hope for a new beginning. The same power that rolled away the stone is available for you today. He can resurrect dead dreams, broken relationships, and lost hope. The tomb is empty, and because it is, our future is bright.